Hi students, this is Dr. P.V. Adi Prasad Rao, co-convener of Surabhi 2020. So you are very much engaged in the academics. Let's have small break. We have tons of entertainment and enjoyment for you on 4th, 5th and 6th of this September. So we have designed many different shows with visual arts and performing arts from all the renowned artists, and also we have some pro show on Saturday evening and Sunday evening. So all the best for your future, and also I invite you for this Surabhi 2020, and go Surabhi, go.
Hi guys, myself J. Kiran, Assistant Professor CS Department, KL University. This year KL University is conducting Surabhi 2020, a cultural festival in online mode. So there are nearly 28 events we are going to conduct. So the event dates are September 4th, 5th, 6th, 2020. It contains nearly 28 events, and we are getting student registrations from across the world. So while you are waiting, let your talent to be out. The registration link is bit.ly/surabhi20reg. So go to that link and complete your registration as soon as possible. For more updates, follow our Instagram page KL Surabhi. Thank you.
Hello students, this is Madhav Prasad Khanal from Department of EC. I'm just here to invite you for the great show Surabhi, right, that is going to happen on 4th, 5th and 6th September, right? And if you really want to know the novelty of the Indian culture, right, what we are through and where we are now, right? So for all these things, please participate, and we will be available in our official YouTube channel, Insta, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, right? And if you want to register for that particular event, right, you can just click the link below, and you can register yourself and you showcase your talent, whatever you are having, right? Thank you so much. We'll be waiting for you, right? So for more details, you just visit our website. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Prashanti from CSC Department. KL University is conducting online Surabhi on 4th, 5th and 6th October. Other state students are also participating, so it is a great event that is going to be conducted for the first time in our university and of course in our state. So I expect all of you to participate and enjoy this event, and I wish you all very good luck for the events that are going to be conducted on those days.
Hello all, how are you? So we KL University, in this pandemic situation, we are giving you an opportunity to get into the online Surabhi. So we expect you all to register in various events where you can have real fun and you can just bash yourself. So click and just go on with your registration in the website, KL University websites. Already we have got 6,000 registrations from other states. We do expect from all of you who see the pamphlet. So register and win prizes. Go Surabhi.
Culture is the widening of the mind and of the spirit. Come join us from 4th to 6th September for the India's largest online cultural fest and enjoy yourselves there.
Hello guys, this is Manjula Josephine, Assistant Professor, CSE. It's been like ages since we have met under one roof. In a way, Surabhi is that opportunity where relives the memories of being in the college. Come with your pals. Be assured you will have a great time.
Dear students, how are you? I am from KL University. We are conducting online Surabhi from KL University. So many events we are going to conduct. Please join us. And the events are dancing competition, music, and speaking. So many events are there. It is very fun. Please join with us and success our events.
Hey all, this is Naveen, faculty from CSE department. Trust all of you are safe and sound. Can we get some cheers during this tough year? Yes, Surabhi is here and can't wait to meet and cheer for you all virtually. See you all this weekend.
Hi everyone, this is Srinidhi from CSE department. I hope everyone are busy with your online classwork. So let's have the break. So what's the break? Let's have the Surabhi 2020 on 4th, 5th, 6th. I hope 2 days to go. I hope everyone are busy with your online classwork. Let's have the break and let's rock the event.
Go Surabhi 2020. Energy Center, Go Surabhi 2020.
Hi, this is Bhavani. All the best for everyone. Go Surabhi.
Hi all, this is Divya, Department of CSE, Cal University. This time we are going to conduct online Surabhi, which is purely cultural fest. Let us rock as usual.
Go Surabhi 2020.
Hello KLers, gear up for India's largest online cultural fest Surabhi 2020. There are many exhilarating events lined up for all of you. See you all at the event.
Hi everyone, this is Santi Sri from CSE Department. Go Surabhi 2020.
Hi students, this is Lakshmi Lalita, faculty from CSE Department, Cal University. We have online Surabhi event due to this COVID pandemic situation on 4th, 5th and 6th of September. Please do register in various events and have fun with all your friends online. I hope you will do best and have fun. Stay home and stay.
Hi guys, Surabhi has arrived to vanish all your pandemic blues. There are electrifying events planned for all of you under the name of Salam Surabhi. This is Arpita Roy, Assistant Professor CSE, waiting to see you all at the event.